This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox edits. First, you will need to gather essential software, including a good screen recorder and a user-friendly video editing program. We will then capture high-quality gameplay footage directly from Roblox, ensuring smooth playback. Next, we will delve into basic editing techniques, adding music, and incorporating text effects to make your edit pop. Finally, we will cover exporting your finished video in the correct format for sharing with your audience online. To start your Roblox editing journey, you will need a few key tools. A reliable screen recorder is crucial for capturing your in-game moments. Aim for one that records at 60 frames per second for fluid motion. You will also need robust video editing software, which allows you to cut, merge, and enhance your clips. Some free options offer powerful features for beginners, while paid ones provide advanced capabilities. An optional but helpful tool is an audio mixer, ensuring crisp sound in your final project. Capturing high-quality game footage is fundamental for compelling Roblox edits. Before recording, optimize your Roblox settings for maximum graphics and turn off your in-game user interface to keep the screen clean. Use your screen recording software to capture gameplay at a minimum of 1080 pixels resolution and 60 frames per second. Plan your shots in advance, maybe even practicing specific movements or scenes to ensure you get the perfect take. Record multiple angles if possible to add variety during the editing phase. Once your footage is captured, it is time to bring your vision to life through editing. Start by trimming your clips, removing any unnecessary segments to keep your video concise and engaging. Add smooth transitions between scenes to maintain a professional look, avoiding abrupt cuts. Incorporate background music that complements the mood of your edit, ensuring its volume does not overpower your gameplay sounds. Finally, add text overlays or simple effects to highlight key moments or provide context for your viewers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.